वेलकम बैक टू policyx.com। उम्मीद है आप सब सुरक्षित होंगे। आज बात करते हैं नवी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के बारे में। नवी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस started the operations in November 2017 and adopted a digital method of selling the insurance products via the Navi Health Insurance app. It currently deals in a variety of health, motor, property, commercial, and gadget insurance solutions. Let us now take a look at the key features of Navi Health Insurance. Number 1, Network Hospital. The company is partnered with a network of more than 10,000 hospitals across India. Number 2, Claim Support Ratio. The company has a claim support ratio of 98.7% as per IRDAI's Annual Report 2019 to 2020. Number 3, Solvency Ratio. It effectively measures the company's cash flow and the liabilities, which helps an individual to analyze the company's ability to manage the short-term and long-term liabilities. It can be determined by the solvency ratio. Well, every insurer has to maintain a healthy solvency ratio of 1.5 according to IRDAI. And at present, the company's solvency ratio is 2.48. अब समझते हैं कि प्लान्स में क्या क्या कवर नहीं होता है। Understanding the exclusions is as important as understanding the inclusions. जितना ज़रूरी ये समझना है आपके प्लान में क्या कवर होता है, उतना ही ज़रूरी ये भी समझना है कि आपके प्लान में क्या कवर नहीं होता है। Number 1, breach of law with criminal intent, war, nuclear exposure, alcohol, drug abuse, cosmetic or plastic surgery, external congenital anomaly, dental treatment except as covered under outpatient treatment, physical developmental disorder, any hazardous or adventurous sports or activities, change of gender treatment, sexually transmitted diseases or STD, non-allopathic treatment, suicidal attempt, self-inflicted injury, or sleep disorders. Let us now take a look at how one can buy Navi Health Insurance plans. Customers can purchase Navi Health Insurance plans from Navi Health Insurance app. Alternatively, you can buy the policies through third-party intermediaries like agents and brokers. Navi General Insurance Company utilizes the digital approach for selling the insurance products. Let us now talk about the claim procedure of Navi Health Insurance Plan. इंश्योरेंस लेने का सबसे बेसिक पर्पस होता है कि जब आपको ज़रूरत हो, समय पर, इमरजेंसी के टाइम आपका क्लेम टाइम पर सेटल हो जाए. You can avail of 2 methods for getting your claim settled. Number 1, cashless claim. Number 2, reimbursement claim. Cashless claim तब एप्लीकेबल होता है जब आप कंपनी के affiliated network hospital में अपना इलाज करवा रहे हैं. You need to follow the below mentioned steps. Notify the company about your claim request by calling the toll-free number or writing an email. For planned hospitalization, notify the company at least 48 hours prior to admission. In case of emergency hospitalization, the claim notification should be sent to the company within 24 hours of admission to the hospital or before discharge, whichever is earlier. You need to provide the health card along with photo ID proof of the policyholder. Duly fill the cashless request form and submit it to the hospital. Pre-authorization request form will be sent by the hospital to the cashless department of TPA. At the time of discharge, the hospital will forward the final authorization request. Discharge will be done post receipt of the final authorization letter by the hospital. अब समझते हैं reimbursement claim के बारे में. जो तब एप्लीकेबल होता है जब आप एक नॉन नेटवर्क हॉस्पिटल में अपना इलाज करवा रहे हैं. Customers are required to settle all the hospital bills on their own primarily. At the time of discharge, he or she must collect all the important documents provided by the hospital, including discharge summary and bills. Submit all the documents to the company or third-party administration within 15 days from the date of discharge. The company will verify the documents and on approval, the claim amount will be released. ध्यान रखिएगा, नवी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस को क्लेम करने के लिए आपको कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. क्लेम फॉर्म ड्यूली फिल्ड एंड साइंड, ओरिजिनल डिस्चार्ज और डेथ समरी, OT notes if any, original hospital main bill along with breakup bill and original receipt. Original investigation report, X-ray, MRI, CT, HPE, etc. Doctor reference slips for investigations, pharmacy, original pharmacy bills, MLC, FIR report, post-mortem report if applicable and conducted. Details of the implants including the sticker indicating the type as well as invoice towards the cost of implant. KYC document, photo ID proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, etc. Cancelled check for NEFT payment. Well, that was all about Navi Health Insurance. Thank you for hearing out to us. Stay tuned with policyx.com for more such content. अगर आप चाहते हैं हम किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाएं तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिएगा. Stay safe, be vaccinated, and do not forget to secure your future. Have a great day ahead. Stay tuned with policyx.com.